Hey guys, Motorcarnut here, and today we're going to be replacing a PCV valve on a 2009 and up. If it's the 5.0 liter, 2009 to current year model, a little bit different configurations, but they're pretty much in the same area. This happens to be a 2011, and it's simple to do. If you're experiencing, let's say, even a rough idle, or you're burning excessive oil all of a sudden, or oil leaks pushing out through a seal, you can have pressure building up inside the crankcase because of the PCV valve, and you want to replace it, or if you have a check engine light on. On the 5.0 liter, it's right here. It's this blue one. See that blue right there on the passenger side valve cover? Simple to do. Over here, you have a little clip over here. You just push this like this, and you just push it up, okay? And then this one, what you do is you just take a pliers and screw it counterclockwise until it pops out. Let me show you what the new one looks like. This is not a factory one, but this is a popular brand from Advanced Auto Parts. Used to be CarQuest. Let me see what this one is. Here's the part number on this one. All right, PCA 1036. If you want to get this one, if you want to go to the factory PCV valve is always better, but this is basically it. You see how it has like a little twist over here? It twists on, it has a little rubber seal. So I'm just going to take a little wrench, pliers like this, and I'm just going to take that one out. All right. And it's old. It's good to replace them, especially if you're having symptoms related to the PCV valve. And you just put a little oil on here. Okay, and we just put it in there like that, and you just turn it clockwise until it seats and clicks. I'm gonna put a little grease on here. Okay, and just take it like this, and it stops. It seats out, and now it's nice and tight. And you just take this, and you just put it right down there. Yank on it, make sure it's tight. All right. Good, and that's it. Simple on this car. I'm gonna do it on another car too. And that's basically it. And if you're having problems, it should clear those problems up, like the rough idling or stalling even. And excessive blow-by, you start your car up, you see blue smoke. Sometimes it's as simple as the PCV valve. All right, guys, Motorcarnut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, leave them below. I answer all my questions. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.